Hey everyone, this is Cricket. This is another sticker haul. This is from DEK Happy Mail. You all know I love me some of the DEK. I love it, love it, love it. So let's open it. I didn't want to open it without y'all, so we will open it together. As usual, I am so in love. Look at this bow that she gives for free, and it says hello gorgeous, so she always makes me feel good about myself. But look, isn't that beautiful? So sweet. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's open this up. Y'all, if y'all can't tell that I love their stuff, I mean, all I do is their hauls. I love them. This is the freebie, and it's DEK Designs and Plan to be Fab. But look at this freebie. I mean, it's foil and it's an ornament. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the church and the gloves, snowflakes. I mean, it's beautiful. Definitely will be using that. And this was a freebie as well. Look at that. It says, I can't adult today. I love it. Look how cute. Are those not the most precious? And then the bows at the bottom. Love. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to do these separate so y'all can just fall in love with them when I do. Okay, so this first one is Holly Jolly. And look. Look how gorgeous. You see all that beautifulness? Look at that, y'all. I mean, everywhere you look, there's nothing but snowflakes on there. Oh my God, I'm in love. These are your full boxes with your bow flag. And this is called Holly Jolly, by the way. I hope I said that. Here are your bow full boxes, more bow check boxes, and more washi. Your half boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, quarter boxes, more bow flags. Oh my gosh. Your bottom washi. Look at that. Gosh, I'm trying to get it. There you go. How beautiful is this, y'all? Oh my God. The question now is which planner for me to put it in. There's your flags, your day covers, your weekend banner, more washi, your bottom washi. Oh my gosh. Your foiled glitter headers. Look at that. Deco. And then happy day, busy day, right now. Remember this, love this, date night, plan this, bill due, me time, plan this. And then more deco. Look, I mean, oh my God. Oh gosh, I am in love with this kit. I cannot stand it. I don't even know if I can go on, to be honest with you. This next kit is Farmhouse, and it came with rose-colored date dots. Look at these date dots. Are those not beautiful? Gosh, I love this. Here are your full boxes. Look at the rose gold. Look at that. Oh my God. Y'all will be seeing me probably do my plan with me really, really soon with this. Oh gosh, I love this. Full boxes, check heart or check bow flags, washi with the glitter on, or the foil on that as well. Your bow check flags, half boxes, quarter boxes, and appointment boxes, habit trackers. Your full bow check boxes, bow flags. Oh my God. Ah, look at this. The weekend banner, your flags. I can't even talk because it's so, oh my God, it's so beautiful. Your day covers, your bottom washi, More washi strips. Oh my God. Look at that. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. Your headers with the to-dos, todays, and littles, all done in the rose gold. And then your meal planners, asterisks, and TV. And you also have a set of blank as well. Then your glitter headers, your functionals, me time, bill due, right now, busy day, happy day, plan this, remember this, date night, love this, grocery, manicure, pedicure, coffee break, trash, happy mail, money, and writing. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And then here is work, the large flags, small flags, doilies, and the girls. And then some deco. Look at that, I love it. Look at this deco. And then your habit tracker for your sidebar. This is amazing, y'all. I mean, and they give you so much for a kit. I mean, you could definitely use it for more than one layout. I mean, definitely. And I am a no white space planner, so that's saying something for me. This is the Grinch, and I did not get it foiled, so, but you had the choice of foil, I do believe. It says resting Grinch face. Now how cute is that? I love the two double boxes. Look at how cute those are. The dog. And then, see, that's my favorite. I love that. And then the washi strips, your flags, your half boxes, your appointment boxes, habit trackers, bill dues, and more flags, your full check boxes, and then more washi, and then the flags, your weekend banner, your flags, your day covers, your bottom washi, and then the washi strips that I love is one whole box again. Your to-dos, todays, and little things, and meal trackers, asterisks. And then your glitter washi with your functionals, and again, the manicure, trash, grocery, coffee first, and the bears. So this is the Grinch in matte. You have got to go check them out. Look, I just made a total fool of myself being in love with this haul. So if I can make a total fool out of myself, you gotta go check them. You gotta go check them out. They are beautiful. I wish that my camera took better pictures so that you could actually see how pretty they are. So go check them out. The information will be down in the description below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't gone and checked out my planner Nina_Cricket at Instagram and Facebook, you can post your, for those that have YouTube or whatever, you can post your videos on my Facebook, or if you're a PR girl, you can post your company's sales on there. So go check it out. Go PR for your companies, and I hope to see you back here really soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.